Hmm.
Alright. I dropped that stupid shotgun. I'm not using the shotguns anymore. I'm sorry. I'm not using them anymore. Unless it's a fire shotgun, I'm not using them. Gain access to the armory in the police station. Hordes are increasingly aggressive here. Okay. No one left behind. Wonderful, huh, Israel?
The finale? I wanna go into the armory and get some armory.
Why did you say it like that?
Rover 2, Bob Dureski was on duty. The armory is
team
coded to
support
his
slot.
handguns. You need to find him.
Offensive item upgrades.
Attack, and we all know what that usually means. Good luck out
I'm
there.
gonna get a
Coach out.
team health. You wanna get the support? Yeah. And I think that's good for now, right?
Huh?
I said that's good for now, right?
Oh, I got the offensive item upgrade since you didn't want to get it.
That's right. Well, I need to get my toolkit, dude. And also some health, because I'm literally almost dead.
I could have healed you.
I used the free charge. You gonna use it or no?
Use what?
The free charge?
First aid cabinet.
I'm gonna use it on you.
Not that. Wait, you can shoot with it?
Wait, what? Oh yeah. Jojo, it's a taser.
Did not know you could shoot.
Wondering if I should bring a jacket.
Oh, first aid cabinet.
Yeah, that's literally what I was telling you, asking you if you were gonna use.
Hold on, reload.
Shit, I don't know. My bad. I have a silenced pistol for no reason.
I was trying to say R for no reason.
I have a silenced AR and a pistol for no reason. Never mind, I got rid of my silenced AR, I forgot.
Oh, I wish I had my freaking fire shotgun.
Don't stand up.
I won't. Oh my god, I'm just laying. What? Israel!
My fault, my fault.
Oh, 500 assault rifle kills, nice. Wait, question, weren't they supposed to be going towards the car alarm and not us? Israel!
Fuck!
That's the second one!
My bad.
Leave the police cars alone! We know they let this get out of control, but come on! Woo! I almost pulled a U and shot a freaking police car.
I'm gonna go in full fucking knifing.
What happened?
I'm going just knifing.
Yeah, we got peanut butter over here. Oh, I have peanut butter
Where?
over here. I marked it. Car back there.
Less breathing, more bleeding.
Memento to the right. I'm going for it. Sniper ammo.
Watch out, cowboy! This.
Oh my god! A magnum with the freaking sight on it. Oh!
Cover me, reloading.
Okay, fine with that. Oh, why me? Fudge it. Already triggered the horde anyways. That was a terrible grenade throw, whoever threw that.
Not me.
Keep looking.
Yeah, I needed this. Nothing about this says good.
The general said if we close the mine, they wouldn't get in.
We're not gonna be able to find that guy until we deal with these things.
Propane tank.
I hate that I'm getting these mediocre meals.
Everyone's still in one piece.
You good as well? Peanut butter.
Yeah.
Fine now. Oh! Hey! Look at that guy go!
I'm receiving reports of a large pack of written in your area.
I found the thing.
Minigun.
Really?
Toolkit required.
Do I use my toolkit on this or do I save
No.
it?
Keep bleeding!
Don't use it on the minigun.
Okay. Might as well destroy them all, right?
Let's do this!
My AA-12. This is a shock in my life.
Oh!
I got you, brother.
Teabag, teabag. Ah, fire.
Reloading!
I'm not gonna talk about that. Oh, we
I
got
want to
one
see
more.
outside.
We got more nodes, by the way, to deal with.
Yeah, I see zombies outside through a crack in the wall.
Dad could see me
Really?
now. He'd hate me.
Oh, hey, Jojo.
Hey, Israel. How's that crack looking?
What's up?
What's up? How's that crack
How the
looking?
fuck did you get outside?
Warp chest. Do I use a toolkit or just take the damage?
Just take the damage.
All right,
Hey,
we're taking the
rolling
damage.
dice 'cause I'm feeling nice.
You're taking the damage.
I want it.
Likely to fuck your
Tenderizer.
What's first?
Oh, pills.
The fuck is tenderizer?
You want that skill from me?
First shot. I'll take it.
This is the tenderizer. Are you taking that off
First shot
there?
against any ridden.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I am. Just reading it.
Okay. Do you want these iron supplements or should I get them? You need the shield. Get it and take it.
Get it and take it?
Yep.
Alright. I did it.
Not done yet.
Horde's coming in a few minutes. You ready? They're gonna come right now. Ouch. Oh, I guess I'm not on there. Ow! There you are, you son of... You know what? Huh. Seriously? Destroying this is not calling the horde? Oh, we gotta find Bob's arm, Israel.
Bob's arm?
Yeah. Look at the top left, the mission. I guess we have to
alright.
go around and find an arm?
How the fuck do you lose your arm? Me personally, I wouldn't take that.
Hey, if you got eaten by a zombie, they took your arm.
I'd
would you
take
be able
that.
to
I'd
stop
take
them?
my shit back. Jojo, come here. Pain meds.
Coming to you.
Where are you?
I was literally about to take one, dude.
Let's probably take one.
Patrol is reporting a large pack of Britain heading to the station.
Oh, that's a big boy.
Where? Where is he?
Need a weapon in
Right
I
here.
got him.
embodied person's hands.
Ow! Oh, it worked! All I saw was a big explosion and it worked. I love this hammer, dude. This is fun. We still need to find a toolkit room.
Team bleeding.
Ooh, AI ammo.
Pickles.
Nice.
Watch out! Speaker!
Okay, I don't know where the sleeper is, but I'm just throwing those.
Ow!
You good?
Yeah.
Aim for the head.
Going up. Yeah, I'm just destroying the nest right now.
Alright.
And I'm looking for a toolkit room.
Oh, I see another nest. I'm gonna show it from
Yep.
afar.
I fell in a hole! I fell in a hole, I can't get out! Oh wait, I can't, never mind. I'm out. I'm good. Revenge!
What the fuck?
Revenge!
What the
It takes
fuck?
two, but it's fine. I'm a-okay.
What?
That was
Just a
fucking
lot
overkill.
of tomato juice, that's all. Revenge! Revenge! Ah, I missed. Revenge! There we go. Revenge! I love this freaking weapon, dude. Revenge! Revenge! Up top. To the right. Over here.
Watch out.
Hey Jojo,
Yeah?
can you hit this?
I got it.
Yes, I can. Ah! Worth it!
Let's get the lights on.
Oops! Ah! Israel! I need help!
What? You good?
Nope!
Jojo.
Yeah?
Hello.
I got him!
I got
Hi.
you, don't worry.
Thanks.
I got him, don't worry.
Empowered assault. After you kill the mutation, the next time you damage the mutation is guaranteed to cause them to stumble.
Holy hell.
In your face.
That's not bad. I actually need that. Even though it doesn't even matter, because I got a freaking hammer that just insta kills them.
Let's be going.
Propane here. I don't like the look of this. I mean, I didn't like the look of the last one, but I like the look of this one even less.
An M249 and an RPK.
What? Holy! Okay, wow. That's too much for me to handle. I'm good. Nah. Nah, you can go find bacon somewhere else. I ain't got no bacon for you.
That's 2 dead.
Give us a hand here, boss.
Nice. 2 of 1 dead though.
Show us where yours is.
Look on the top.
Oh shit, nice. Ah!
No, I cause them to stumble.
No! Why is he grabbing me but not grabbing me? Ouchie.
I'll take it.
It's good that we got 2 dead. Huh.
Oh my god, end yourself, zombie. Oh my god, that's a swarmer.
Yep. Going for it. Got him.
Okay.
Go inside of here.
Let's see what you've got for us.
Anything good? Okay.
Time.
I know.
At least you were. Sounds here.
Dude, look at my HP.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I've been at that for a while.
Are you hurt?
There's too many
No,
to fight them
just
all.
me then.
Remember, securing the armory is your primary objective. We need those weapons.
Yeah, shut up.
Stay back. Not safe.
Question is, where the fuck? Oh my god, that's a big boy. Where the hell is the armory?
Am I damaging myself? I am!
When you hit the fucking thing down?
When I use a melee weapon, I damage myself because of the explosion.
Makes sense.
Yep, and it's freaking 7 damage. Oh, it's okay, room! There you are. Waiting on you to get over here.
Oh shit. Wait, how the fuck? I didn't even see the way over there. I didn't see there was a way.
Right over here, kiddo.
Hold still.
Thank
Not
you.
sure what I'm doing.
Yeah, that's a big no for me.
I didn't even see that there was a way over here.
It happens to the best of us.
Guess who's coming to dinner?
I'll leave the rest for you. There's another defib here.
Hold still now.
Thanks, man.
Oh, there's a competition stock.
Cool.
It increases ADS speed by 30%.
Don't mind if I do.
You want it?
Nah.
I'll take it.
I'll have you fixed up soon.
Okay, I was about to use
Molly,
this
you're
first
the
aid, honestly.
The one that I dropped?
Nope. This free one right here.
Today keeps getting
There we go.
better and better.
There are a couple more pods out there.
I'm gonna break this thing right here.
The ridge right to you.
Go
I'm
ahead,
gonna
horde's already
yeah,
started.
destroy it.
Gotta reload.
Anything good in there?
Nope. Just food.
So pointless.
Basically.
See what's in here. Hey, that noise wasn't one of you, was it? The water nearby.
I got my metal in the other one.
Nice. Okay, it's done. I found the arm. Got the arm. Israel! Israel! I'm giving everybody a hand.
What the fuck?
Hey, zombie. High five.
Why do
Okay,
they
that didn't work with that
always
one.
come in
They didn't work.
packs like
Why'd you guys have to freaking kill every single one?
High five,
Man.
did ya?
High five. High five.
Over there.
Memento. And a chest, another memento.
Memento. That's 4 mementos. New record.
that? You're good people, Jim.
Nice. Alright, these zombies need a hand as well. Ah! Oh, you need a hand? I got you. Don't worry. I gave him such a big hand as well that my game froze for a second.
What the fuck?
Yeah. Hey, that jockey needs a hand as well. I'm gonna go give him one. All right.
You do you.
Get over here. I'm trying to give you a hand. Killed 10 Bridens with Bob's arm. Ah! He got me! He's giving me a hand! Israel! Help me!
Oh, what the fuck? He's humping you!
I need a help! Thank you for taking your sweet ass time. Where's my hand?
Holly, you're the best.
Ow! Where's my hand? There's my hand. Let's get out of here, yeah?
Alive! And with all my limbs!
Hold up.
Hey,
Check
zombie, I'll
something.
give you a hand. Don't worry. Here, I'll give you a hand. I'll give you a hand too. You want one too? Come here. Come here. I'll give you a hand. Don't worry. Oh, you want a slap on the... Here, you want me to give you more beautiful? There you go. She died of prettiness as well. So did he.
Alright, there you go.
Him too. Oh, look at that. They went to sleep. Alright, let's go. You were in your own little world. I was too, okay? Ah! Nope. You can have him, Israel. He's yours. He wants your hand, not mine.
Reloading.
Scanning, scanning, scanning. Scanned.
Ah shit, there's a big boy. Big arm.
Where?
Never mind.
I'll give him an arm. Oh. Safe room's open. Waiting on you, kiddo.
Yep.
Defibrillator here. Come on, move yourself.
Keep your distance, Pansy. I got here. Keep bleeding.
Woo! Wizard didn't like it, the arm that I'm giving him, Israel.
Thanks, bud.
Loading!
Come in.
Did you get double pistols? Oh no. Okay.
Hurry up and get inside. I'm hungry.
This guy's thing is still moving.
What? Israel, I know you like tentacles a lot, but please, not right now.
Oh, what?
So screwed.
I didn't even get to read that text on the side. Dude, I horsed around that whole damn round.
Yeah, can you hear the fan, by the way?
Nope. Can you hear
Alright.
mine?
Now I'm gonna lay back and chill, because my back's hurting.
Oh, I know what you mean. I have to get in my gamer position. Cause mine starts hurting if I'm not in it.
Plan B. That's what she took.
Okay, no birds, snitches, or car alarms, alarm doors, or dusters. Alright, Israel?
Alright.
I should have actually upgraded this, honestly. To the next round. Alright, shield. Team quick item upgrade.
What is your sit rep?
I'm gonna upgrade that. You can upgrade the quick slot if you want it, okay?
Start building some catapults.
God damn it, we needed those weapons. Continue to clean out the area while I come up with an alternative. We can't afford
I
to let
may or may not have used all my money.
again. Hope one.
What do you need me to buy you?
Nothing.
Okay. Good, because I can't buy anything. Okay, I need stamina. I can only buy stamina and that's it.
Another day. Death.
Hey, bitch. Oh.
Same side!
Got leftovers yonder.
Peanut butter.
Nice.
Keep bleeding.
I got it.
Oh, thank you.
I can't allow them to get a foothold here in Finleyville. Wipe them out.
Open?
Yep. No, 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 no!
It's
Do
an
not!
alarm.
No. There's only food behind that. Maybe some money. Bucket! I got it.
Ow! I hate green beans.
Was not worth it. We could have just come from the other way as well. I want
I don't
that.
even have enough for it.
I don't either. Ow! I gotta come back to that when I have enough.
I have 70.
I have 265, so I'm closest.
Fucking apocalypse was fun enough. Now I have to go crawling through sewage.
Yay.
I swear, my life just keeps getting better and better.
Oh, money. Ooh, money, money.
Well, this is a dead end.
I almost have enough already. Just 200 away.
Alright, just as long as, ow! As long as, raid doesn't start, we can, stick together. Or,
Yep.
or I mean, separate.
Yep.
Maintenance workers used to be up and down these tunnels. Gotta be a way through.
Is a one already started, by the way? Okay.
I know.
Fucking kidding me!
Hold still. I'm not sure what I'm doing.
Oh, shoot. You gotta start it from up there, huh? That's gonna start a raid.
easy now.
Alright.
You're good people, Jim.
You ready? Yeah. Forward. Don't worry, I got the right side. I think the shotgun ammo, shit.
Gimme.
Ready?
Yep.
I don't usually like to attract
Bro, what the
attention,
fuck?
but on this occasion,
No.
I'm kidding.
Don't tell me we have to pass through while they're coming through. Go, 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 go.
Remember vacations? I miss vacations.
So we can't come back. Checking left side. Nothing good over here.
I found jack shit.
What is this stuff?
Go forward.
Duffel bag.
I've got toolkits, you?
I got the fib.
Shoot. Budget, I got it.
What's in here?
I'll come back for the toolkit if we need it. If I can.
Back in this gun.
Keep bleeding!
Cereal. And a stun gun. And a submachine gun. Where are we supposed to go? Snitch! No! Fuck. Snitch.
Thanks, Jim.
We're supposed to head over here.
Gosh dang, I can't get the toolkit.
It's fine, I have them.
What?
I dropped the fib.
Okay, let's go then.
I went left to go right.
I did go right. This is not good. We're separated.
That's fine, one on one.
Alright.
Oh man, do
My guy's going to you! What the fuck?
We're wandering off.
Oh,
My
they
guy went for you.
They both went to me!
Fuck, and I got caught. Jojo, go back.
Can I shoot through that hole?
Never mind. I got untrapped.
Okay.
I'm fine.
Alright.
Covering you.
I'm good.
Right behind you.
You good over there?
Yep, Peachy.
Oops. Dead end.
It looks like we
Take
connect.
it.
Yeah. Which is good. Peanut butter.
Leftovers.
Going in a minute.
And I found a warp.
Time to go.
Who's that
Robin?
peanut butter?
It is this way. Right inside there.
Check it out.
To your left.
In here. Cover me, reloading.
Ready? I have an open warp.
No risk.
Opening.
No reward.
Ouch. Okay.
The law.
You get it. Ow! Ow.
Burns.
You want it?
Huh?
These are highlight targets and increase damage dealt to them. It's a
Thanks, bud.
sniper.
Oh, it's this one.
Yeah.
Kick ass.
Oh shit. He kinda went bye-bye.
Thanks,
Yeah, do
Jim.
you want it or no?
Hold on. Let me check this. First shot against any rhythm stumbles it. This just highlights targets and increases damage dealt to them. I'll take this one since I have a pistol.
I know.
Okay.
A reusable lockpick with a small fixed chance to restore itself, instantly killing the user and reducing extra lives to 0.
So if you had a defib, I wouldn't mind keeping this and using it. But
I don't have a
then-
defib.
Yeah, so let's just go. We got your lockpicks.
Only one.
Let's go. It's fine. Snitcher! Can you kill him?
I
Or
should
do
be
you-
able to come.
Let's do this. Not today, Frankenface.
I was gonna run up to him and kill and just freaking knife him.
No, you wouldn't have gone far.
Yeah. Hey! Basic random card. You passed it.
Oh.
Intel.
Oh, that's not bad.
Can you use a medical accessory to target covers additional?
I want this one. Reload drills. I'm
I
getting
don't
out.
know. I don't need either.
I got the reload one because I have a shotgun.
I'll take it.
Watch it, Whaler. I'm not meant for this fight. I mean, I'm meant for life. Don't get me wrong. Cool.
Alright. Peaches.
Thanks, Jim.
Damn. Toolkit room as well.
Use it.
Yeah.
Don't mind if I do.
Smoke grenade.
Well, looky here.
What did you find?
Big ass room. Shortcut, maybe.
Maybe. Yeah, shortcut. I just looked down. It goes straight into that big room. Basically, it's just like a safer spot.
Oh, you could say that again.
There's leftovers if you're hungry.
Die!
I need to explode this zombie real quick. Never mind. Maybe this zombie down here wants to be exploded. Look at him right there.
Here, let me help you.
Yeah. God damn it. End yourself.
Did he move the second you...
Yeah.
He's bleeding. Hold on, reloading. Get up.
So we gotta open the gate to overflow it. Hey, free heals up here as well. Free heal.
Ooh, gimme.
So I take a second one?
Yeah, take both of the heals. I don't need any. Shit, I can't kill that guy. Okay, nice. Free card! Mutations that you kill have a 50% chance to spawn a healing cloud. Hey, it's a healing one as well.
Huh?
It's a healing one.
Hope there's good stuff in here.
Oh.
Just whistle
You're not
if you
gonna
want to
take-
pick it up. I have the duffel bag, remember?
Oh yeah.
Going up here, got a chest. I think this one's ammo. Yep, ammo.
Well, going back is not an option, so
Pain
let's find
meds.
out how to go forward.
PB.
Food, food, food.
Hmm? Where?
Peanut butter up top. Oh, and heal. A healing block. A supply crate. Healing crate, whatever you want to call it. Alright, I'm gonna start it. You ready?
Try not to get bitten again. I really
Thank you.
hate that weird sucky noise the worms make when you pull them out. Gotta take care of this.
Bandages here.
Ready as I'll ever be.
Started. Infinite horde. We're gonna have to run through that gate. I say we stand in front of it, yeah?
We stay up here for now.
Okay. It's run throughable. Let's go, let's go.
Alright.
Ouch!
Oh, go, Brody.
Get to the safe room. I'm looking around for anything. Peanut butter.
Leftovers here.
Going to get it right now.
They're both around.
We gotta swarm it down there somewhere. Come on, as well.
But this door right here.
No, jump over here. Oh my god. You could have just jumped it.
Dude, it's already infinite horde. It's alright.
I know. True that. Oh wow. I got a kitty purple shirt.
Huh?
I got a kitty purple shirt for some reason.
Boss?